Welcome back to Never Static, Engaging Strategies for a Dynamic Website. In this episode, we'll explore how regular updates can drive business growth by attracting new clients, improving SEO, increasing engagement, and enhancing your brand's overall perception. Keeping your website updated isn't just about staying current, it's a powerful strategy for growth. Let's dive into the benefits. Add body first. Let's talk about SEO. Search engines love fresh content. By regularly updating your website, you signal to search engines that your site is active and relevant, which can boost your rankings. Text. Higher rankings mean more visibility. More visibility leads to increased traffic, and increased traffic can result in more clients and customers discovering your business. Next, let's look at engagement. Regular updates, whether through blog posts, new projects in your portfolio, or refreshed content, keep your audience coming back for more. When visitors see new content, they're more likely to spend time on your site, interact with your material, and return in the future. This ongoing engagement can build a loyal customer base and foster long-term relationships. Lastly, regular updates enhance your brand's perception. A dynamic, up-to-date website reflects a professional, reliable, and forward-thinking business. Consistently refreshed content and design improvements show that you care about providing the best experience for your visitors. This boosts credibility and trust, making potential clients more likely to choose your business over competitors. So, what are you waiting for? Plan a website revamp or schedule regular updates to keep your site dynamic and your business growing. Visit our website for additional resources. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips and stay tuned for the next episode of Never Static, Engaging Strategies for a Dynamic Website. See you soon!